we are going to be turning this blank wooden heart into this. Hey, welcome back to Penny Pinching Projects. If you are new, you should totally subscribe and become a Penny Pinching OG. All you have to do is subscribe and click that bell. That way you don't miss another high-end creation on a shoestring budget from me. And in today's video, I'm going to be taking you to the Dollar Tree, and we are going to be picking up these wooden heart blanks from the Dollar Tree, and we are going to be crafting these. We are going to be turning this blank wooden heart into this. Look, we are transferring a photo onto this heart for you to give to anybody this romantic season. I can't believe it's already February. Love is in the air. And yes, this is what I'm going to be showing you how to make today. So let's just get right on into it. To get started, you're going to need these wooden hearts from Dollar Tree. They're in the Valentine's Day section, and you're also going to print out a picture on just regular printer paper, and this is for inkjet. Now if you do a laser, you're going to do the wet method, but this is called the dry method. So with the inkjet. So this is printed out on an inkjet printer. You're also going to need some Mod Podge and some like acrylic sealed spray. You can do like gloss if you want, or matte. And you're going to of course need a spongy and some masking tape. So to start, I already took my heart and traced it, and you can barely see it, but there is like this pencil mark around this heart that's going to be like inside the heart, so to speak. So you can use this inside heart, so to speak, or you can use like the back side. It's totally up to you, but I'm going to use this side. So I already went ahead and traced it out. So I'm just going to take my scissors and cut it out. Try to get as close to the pencil marker as you can. So just like that. So this is a picture that's going to go on the inside that you're actually going to see once it's transferred. So it's totally up to you to flip it or mirror it. Like if you're wearing like a necklace or t-shirt with wording on it, you're going to make sure that you mirror it, because when you print it out and then you flip it, it's going to be the right way. But with this picture, it honestly didn't matter to me, but it depends on your picture. So once this is all cut out, then we're going to take this and our tape, some masking tape, and we are just going to cover the whole thing, the edges that we do not want the picture on. So there it is. So I'm just going to take my tape, come over here and get it right. Under where I want it. I'm just going to flip that under like that. And I'm going to do the whole heart like that. Now that I have my whole heart covered up, all the edges, I am now going to take my Mod Podge. Now, I got this one at the Dollar Tree too. And you're just going to apply this generously. and wood usually soaks up their Mod Podge. So make sure you apply a generous amount so you get a good transfer. Okay. Now you're not going to want to let this dry. Right after, you need to put your photo right on top. Just like that. Now I'm going to take my fingers and rub it. Make sure you get the edge too. So I'm just going to rub it on there. Okay. Now what you're going to take is, if you have a Cricut, a scraper, but literally you can get scrapers at Dollar Tree, but just like any card will do, and I'm just going to go over it. And go that way. Just like that. So I'm just gonna wait 3 to 5 minutes, and then we are going to peel the paper off. After 3 to 5 minutes, then you're just gonna take it and start peeling it off the paper. So gonna come over here and scrape just to like get it smooth, get most of the paper off, get the edges. I'm just taking the sponge. You can get the sponge at the Dollar Tree if you don't have any. And the sponge is not wet, it's a dry sponge, so make sure it's not wet. Just like that. Now it's like smooth. Don't really feel any paper, anything. Now we are going to head outside and put our acrylic sealer spray on it. Now this is where the magic happens. We're going to take our spray and go in upward motion, and then we're going to do a sideward motion. This really just brings out the vibrancy in the colors. Now that we are all done, like look at that picture, guys. I will put the picture of what it looked like right here. That just looks so cool. Now we're just gonna take it and take all the tape off. And that's it, guys. That is, I always say this, but that's literally it. That's all you had to do. And I think they turn out great. I just don't have somebody to spend Valentine's Day with at the moment. But, so I'm just showing you with a picture of me, but this would just be so cute to give to your spouse, your loved one. I mean, if you're a parent, give it to your kids, or, you know, give it to your boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, wife, grandparents. Literally, it's so versatile who you can give this to. And not just for Valentine's Day. This can be any time of the year, any like occasion, birthdays, Christmas, whatever, or just like out of the blue. And to me, this is just such a unique and thoughtful gift, so to speak. And it really just speaks something, especially when you give it to them. And if you do have a Cricut, you can heat transfer something on the back. Just an idea there. Just throwing that out there. You could transfer something on the back, and that would just be like so cute, like your own note. just keepsake, or of course you can turn this into like an ornament or something just by hanging some like rope, some jute rope, nautical rope, whatever kind of rope. And yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you are planning on making one of these for Valentine's Day. Just head to the Dollar Tree, pick this up for, I was gonna say $1, but $1.25 now. And that's all you have to pick up. It's just one of these blanks. That's it. And you can turn it into this, that. So I did use an inkjet. This is called the dry method. If you have a laser printer, then you're going to do the wet method, which all you have to do is spray a little water, rub it all off, and then seal it, of course. But if you do an inkjet, make sure it stays dry, or you'll ruin it. Take from somebody who the first one didn't turn out all that great. So yeah, if you haven't already, make sure you are subscribed if you definitely enjoyed this video, because I have a whole lot more planned for Valentine's Day. Some more high-end, like very meaningful and romantic gifts that I'm going to be sharing with you, just you. So make sure you are subscribed, that way you don't miss it, and click that bell, that way you can be the first one to watch it. I know you all have busier days than I do, but if you do click that bell, you will be notified as soon as I post the video. So make sure you do that, and if you have the extra time, do me a huge favor and give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot, and it makes me know that you really like these videos. And if you want to go the extra mile and just do a little bit more extra for me, if you will share this video too while you're at it, while you're down there, that just means the world to me. And yes, I will see you guys next week for another high-end Dollar Tree Valentine's Day gift to give to your loved one. So I'll catch you guys next week. Thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. How many times am I going to say that? Bye.